Hello everyone, and welcome back to Automation School. In today's video, we're going to be giving you all of Dave Nick's secrets to getting rich with YouTube automation and teaching you how you can use his strategy to get the same results for your own channel. Let's get started. You can't search up anything about YouTube automation without Dave Nick popping up in the search results. Known as one of the most popular YouTube automators and credited as one of the most reputable creators in the niche, Dave Nick was one of the first to popularize this category of channel and has since been a well-known name in terms of automation, cash cows, and other online money-making methods. With over 700k subscribers and over 40 million views on just his main channel alone, along with several other successful online businesses, you may be wondering how he got to where he is today. One of the most important things about being a YouTuber, automation or not, is understanding your audience. Dave Nick was quick to master this, with many of his videos actually being relatively similar in nature. It may seem strange to some why he has so many videos about the same topics, with the only real update being the time of upload and a few new tidbits. But this is a strategy that works perfectly for him. He knows exactly what his audience, both new and old, is searching for, and he knows that this will be evergreen content for him if he continues to upload videos around the same few themes. Here's an example. When looking through his channel, you can see that most of his videos contain keywords such as "earn this much a day," or "no work," or "easiest way to." These titles have been known to be highly effective for his channel, as his audience has been proven to be frequent watchers of his videos with these words in the title. It's like how the saying goes, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. Dave Nick doesn't only have one channel. If you've watched one of his many automation videos, you'll know that he's run dozens of different faceless automation channels that have helped him to build up both profits and followings. He has a known YouTube strategy that he uses for each one of these channels, regardless of niche, that has been proven to work. That strategy is something that we like to call replicating the success, whether it's one of his own personal channels or an external one in the niche he is planning to enter. Dave always gets the ball rolling by following in the footsteps of already established and successful channels. This is one of the core activities in YouTube automation and is arguably the most important thing you need to do. Like Dave, utilizing already popular videos and channels within the niche you want to be a part of can not only ensure that your video will resonate well with viewers, it also helps you to appeal to the algorithm and saves you a ton of time so that you can go and create more channels and further increase your chances of blowing up. Having a high-performing channel is easier than you think, as long as you can utilize the resources that are already readily available for you. You do this by using other video transcripts as inspiration for your video scripts, or analyzing their SEO optimization to implement into your own descriptions. Find video formats that are popular within the audience that you want to reach, and imitate the style of their thumbnails, editing, and other stylistic aspects. YouTube, like most search engines, rewards those that are the first to touch upon a topic. Say there is a new trending cryptocurrency or AI tool on the market. Being the first to make a video on these topics will ensure that all the increased traffic from those specific keywords will be flowing to your channel as opposed to anywhere else. Being the first also helps you to be much higher in the search results, which automatically drives more views to your channel. Dave constantly uploads videos regarding the improved methods to use AI, up-and-coming AI tools, and newest methods of online money-making. He is a consistent uploader that provides fresh ideas to his viewers because he knows that by being one of the first to introduce these topics, he will secure viewership. Perhaps the most important thing that Dave Nick does to get rich from YouTube automation is expanding his monetization. Whenever Dave is analyzing a channel's success and disclosing how much money that it makes, he is clear in saying that the numbers on Social Blade do not accurately affect just how much they are racking in a month. That is because these channels have a wide variety of different monetization methods that they use to increase their monthly profits. Having several revenue streams tied to your channel is a highly effective way to get rich off of YouTube, especially if you run multiple channels like Dave does. Although he has several successful channels that are likely bringing him thousands of dollars in ad revenue, he continues to increase his profit potential by having a plethora of different monetization methods attached to his videos. In his descriptions, you can see that he always has a bunch of different affiliate marketing links, which he has a call to action for in his videos. He also has online business courses through Online Business Academy that aim to teach his viewers how to replicate his financial success. These lessons are hundreds of dollars each. As you can see from his enrollment page, the upfront cost of enrolling his course is $795, and he also has a bonus offer that is an extra $495. Along with courses, Online Business Academy also offers resources in the form of PDF documents and user guides ranging from around $50 to hundreds of dollars. These cover well-known online money-making methods such as dropshipping, drop servicing, and other digital business models that have high search engine traffic. The last crucial thing that Dave Nick does, which is the easiest yet most effective tactic, is that he sells a lifestyle. He paints a picture for his viewers through his video storytelling, and in turn, that makes them eager to live that lifestyle that he is promising them. Even if that means spending thousands of dollars or watching all of his videos, he has the special ability to make everything in his videos sound appealing and tie his tips and courses directly to a lifestyle that all of his viewers want, one like his own. Being able to connect to your viewers in such a drastic way is a key component of establishing a long-term, dedicated community like Dave does, who supports him both through watching but also financially. Now that you've uncovered the secrets behind Dave Nick's success in the YouTube automation space, will you be doing the same? Let us know in the comments below if you're going to dive headfirst into the world of YouTube automation. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in learning more about automation. Until next time, see you later, automators.